This is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the calendar app on your phone. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Then hit this plus icon, choose an event option from the list, and fill all the event details, such as its title. Okay, let me get back real quick. So the title of this event, its name, timeframes, time zone, repetitiveness, participants, location, reminders, video conference link, color it will have inside the calendar. You can also write a description or attach a file. Then hit the save button to finish, and here's the event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.